The relationship between the United States and Pakistan is on a very positive track. While we have faced challenges in the past, both sides believe a strong relationship between our two countries is of great importance to regional stability and to achieving a more prosperous future for our citizens. We have revitalized our strategic dialogue, have exchanged high-level visits, and moved forward on the basis of mutual respect and mutual interests. One of the most critical challenges we are jointly facing is ensuring regional stability and prosperity by facilitating a peaceful and stable future for Afghanistan. Pakistan and Afghanistan share a long history, and we recognize that there have been challenges in that relationship. However, Afghan President Ashraf Ghani and CEO Abdullah Abdullah are demonstrating a commitment to opening a new chapter in the Afghanistan-Pakistan relationship. From my conversations with Pakistan's leaders, whether civilian or military, I know that Pakistan wants to strengthen its relationships with Afghanistan. There is much work to be done together on security, trade, economic ties, reconstruction and rehabilitation, and regional cooperation. Pakistan's leadership has already taken steps to move from a relationship hindered by distrust to one characterized by pragmatism and mutual respect. Advisor for National Security and Foreign Affairs Sartaj Aziz's trip to Kabul last month was an important first step. And as you know, President Ghani is expected to visit Islamabad at the end of this week. Let me be very clear. The United States remains committed to Pakistan, to Afghanistan, and to the broader South and Central Asian region.